Alright everybody, I'm sorry for the length of delay. It is 12:26 and 43 seconds. This is mini number 1 for Avengers number 4. My computer froze when I was trying to get it done a few minutes ago and I had to reboot it twice. So anyway, here we are. 20 spots filled. Right there. Whoever comes in first and second will each get to pick 4 spots in the main. Whoever comes in first gets to pick first. Then the second place person will get to pick after them. So there we are, 9 rolls, and away we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's the final one. 9. Steve Hudson and Mike Spin. Congratulations. Time is 2:27 and 40 seconds.